Okay. In this video, we're going to look at the thing as a basis administrator. You need to know about business warehouse or BW or BI, we call it. One of the main transaction business warehouse or BI uses is /n RSA1 /n RSA1. This is the main transaction most of the business warehouse people use. So this is basically what is called as business warehouse cockpit. So some of the terminology you need to understand in business warehouses. First thing is info area. So info area is nothing but a folder which contains just a folder. So info area in a real client could be HR info area, supply chain info area, accounts payable info area, accounts receivable info area, sales info area, so something like that. So let's say for example this vendor master info area. So that specifically means underneath that there is data relevant to vendor master. So let's go into one of the info areas. So let's say sales info area. So underneath the info area, what's called InfoCube. So InfoCube is the placeholder or a table which contains the data relevant to sales. So if you click on show, so if you just click on Infosys overview, so these are the master data which is in this cube. These are the master data which is in this cube. So data cube contains both master data and transaction data. Master data is something which doesn't change frequently. Transaction data is something which changes. Master data could be a product name. Transaction data could be the sales records, sales data. Okay, so next is the info objects. So these are the info objects. For example, there are two types of info objects mainly: characteristics and key figures. So let's say any info object which starts with 0 is SAP info object, and anything which is Z is a custom, or Z or Y custom. So let's look at ZC. Let's look for company code. So let's say company code is the info area, right? So you can just display that. You can also go into look at the data also. If you double click on this, these are the tables which contains the data. So you can double click and you can go into the data. Then we have what's called key figure info area. This contains the transaction data. So if you just put 0 star, for example, amount, wage type, amount payments. So these are all transaction type info area. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please visit my website for further training on BI security, SAP security, GRC security. Thank you.